All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol HTBX, Heat Biologics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say hi and welcome to all first-time viewers. Welcome to my channel. And for all my subscribers, I want to say thank you to you all for your support, your comments down below, helping one another, helping viewers and other investors, engaging in conversations as a community should. And here we are to learn and grow from each other and help each other out to make more gains, right? That's definitely the point of this channel. That's why I do it. And I also appreciate the feedback and the support. It really, really encourages me to continue doing what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Anybody that has already subscribed, I also want to let you know, double check if you've clicked the bell, because if you haven't, I highly encourage you to. And if you're a first time viewer feeling inclined to subscribe, don't just hit the subscribe button. This is for my subscribers and prospective subscribers. Hit the bell so that you guys can get notified and won't miss a single video of any chart that I do, so that you guys can get notified on my daily videos and my weekly videos on where I talk about how the market reacts and what days the Feds are pumping and what it will look like and why it's so important to know this a few days earlier so that you guys can maximize profits, minimize losses, and execute much better trades and so forth. For the most part, I believe it helps people. And on my next video, I'm actually going to ask for feedback on who's really tracking this and who's actually not just viewing the video, but actually seeing what I'm saying and taking the shots just to confirm to others how this information is vital to have better opportunities to maximize profits and minimize losses. So let's jump into this chart. The first thing I want to state is this resistance level here is not the true resistance level on this chart based off of how it ended. It's actually way down here, really, really close to the closing price, 242, and 245 is the resistance here. But the reason why I'm really emphasizing 297 is because in between 245 and 297, a lot can happen. And if that gets crossed, I don't want people to say, oh, bullish run is on its way. No, it won't be really confirmed until 297 is broken. And the reason why I say that is before that, there was higher points and there was a lower point. But this is the true point where the rejection started. So for this stock to come back for real and have a real bullish run, it has to break through 297. I want to emphasize that. I want to go ahead and make this clear. I can't stress it enough. 297 is the real turnaround point. This is not the turnaround point. This just broke through the 50-day moving average of 229 by nothing, by just a couple cents. That's going to be almost $1 difference, 80-cent difference. That's different. But this, 245 resistance level, and then it's bullish. No, I know it'll be in bullish territory anywhere here, but the true significance for a bullish rally to continue is 297. I want you guys to really pay close attention to that and pay close attention to how the stock really reacts in between this whole entire section until it breaks through the 297 and either goes up or stays there with support, right? Because it has to test it, it has to use it as support, and new resistance levels can be broken, and this could see newer highs. But until then, 290, 297 is so important. Now, back to what we want to see in the close-up, zoomed in, and that is 245. 245 can get crossed, let's say. But like I said, there's a lot of window in between. A lot of resistance levels to be broken through. A lot of different things need to be, accomplished through this support and so forth. As long as it stays above 229, which is the 50-day moving average, bulls can be in full health and in control. So that is vital and important as well. And on the other side of things, which was the lowest point of the day, 216 is the support. If that support is broken through, bulls are starting to lose control. Bears are starting to gain control, bringing it to bearish territory. They broke through the 50-day moving average. They broke through support, and they're going to work their way to bringing this to newer lows. Now, two things can happen, such as the bears start to gain control, as we saw here, and the bulls reappear and stock up on stocks and bring this one back up. That's something that can happen here again and go back on its way. I don't know how high. I don't know if it'll be something this high or something in between it, but that's something the bulls like to take advantage of as the bears start to exhaust themselves, or the bears can cause a really steep downward trend like this one, but in this direction, um, bringing it to newer lows and showing that the bears are having full control. Now, something that's interesting though is this turnaround point here where the stock actually started to go up. So that's going to be interesting to pay close attention to as well, because there was a recovery here. There was exhaustion here from the bears, and the bulls are recovering this one. Now, could they maintain that? That's the question. So keep a close eye on this one, see how it reacts tomorrow, and let's make some money. As always, if you guys learned something new, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community. Thank you